Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your oxygen and acetylene cylinders are secured and regulators fit. This prevents leaks and wrong pressure hazards. Once connected, attach hoses with flashback arresters and hand tighten only. You want sealed but serviceable joints. Next, purge each hose. Open the cylinder slightly and vent briefly to clear contaminants, then close. Make sure to perform a soap bubble leak check at every fitting. Small leaks grow into big safety problems, so don't skip this step. You now set working pressures based on tip size. Start around 5 to 7 psi for acetylene and 20 to 30 psi for oxygen, and you can fine-tune later. Once set, open the acetylene torch valve first and ignite with a striker. This prevents oxygen-rich ignition. Then gradually introduce oxygen until you reach a neutral flame. That balance gives you stable heat and prevents oxidation. Make sure the flame tip is concentric and steady. Irregular flames signal blockages or wrong pressures, so adjust as needed. To finish safely, extinguish the flame, then close the acetylene cylinder valve first and the oxygen valve second. This ordering reduces risk of an oxygen-rich flash. Next, open torch valves to bleed residual gas, then close them and back off regulator screws to relieve spring pressure. Finally, fit cylinder caps. If you encounter sputtering, popping, or uneven flame, make sure the tip is clean, hoses are straight and undamaged, and regulators hold steady. Those checks resolve most operational problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.